Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we will show you a few problems with Mercedes if you have one, especially CLK or other ones, V6, the 3.2 engine. If you have a code that relates to misfire or bad ignition coil. Bad ignition coil usually it starts with P0355 and then the last digit is the corresponding number to the cylinder. So let's say it's P0351. It means that you have a bad ignition coil on cylinder number 1. Okay, right here now guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace that one now. We have the airbox out of the way. You don't have to do that, but we just need more room for videoing that thing. So we'll just remove the engine cover. There is a few places you need to pull. Okay, right here. So now this is, let me show you now cylinders. Okay. So guys, you can see right here, okay, on the cylinders on the bottom, okay, you can find now 1, 2, 3 on a V6. And you have 4, 5, 6. So number 1 is right here. So what you will need to do guys, you will need to press here, okay, to release the clip and pull it out. Okay, like that. We have a few zip ties now installed by Mercedes, so you need to replace this one with a new one when you're done. That way the cables don't move everywhere. Spark plugs, okay, you need to pull the cables out. The top one is towards the outside and usually you cannot mess those things up. Let me show you why. It actually shows you right here where to go, A and B. There is a lettering actually. So now we'll need a T30, okay, T30 reverse torque, Torx bit. We'll have the link on our channel, on our website, mechaniclifestyle.com guys, for tools and parts if you need any. Okay, and this is guys ignition coil. Super simple, huh? Not very complicated at all. It's a double ignition coil because it has 2 spark plugs, but that's how you guys remove it. Okay guys, and you can see that lettering A and B that I was talking about. It's right here. So when you're ready to install it, all you have to do, get it there where it's supposed to be. Okay, get the bolt tight. Okay, perfect. Install the wiring. Install the spark plug cables. Push them in all the way until they click really good. Here now. Okay, like that. And don't forget to install a zip tie here. So just get a little zip tie installed there and that will be all guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.